Hey y'all, welcome to this video. It's Blake and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I did this hairstyle, some passion twists. I've never done them before, so let's go ahead and get into the video. So I already shampooed, conditioned, moisturized my hair, all that stuff. I oiled my scalp. Bath & Body Works Therapy Leave-In Conditioner for my leave-in, and Silk Elements Luxury Moisturizing Leave-In Hair Cream. That's like my cream. And then I sealed everything with shea butter, my favorite. Shea butter will have my hair moisturized for weeks. Got all of that out of the way, so my hair was clean starting out. Spent some time, probably like an hour or two, parting my hair, and I have 33 sections. So just a few tips on how I part my hair myself, because I think I do a pretty good job. My favorite kind of setup is if you have a vanity. I have a mirror right here in this wall that you guys can't see, but it's right in front of me, that is giving me this light. And then I have two small mirrors on the side. When I look in this mirror, I can see the back of my head. Turn my head, I can see the back of my head on this side. I decided that I wasn't going to blow dry my hair for this style. I really didn't feel like. I started wet and I was like, the twist we'll just have to do. So I detangled my hair, moisturized it, twisted it, and then when I was parting it, I put it in more twists. Like I just kept twisting it just so I could get stretched out. And so now they are pretty stretched and they're almost dry. So I think I'll be good. Products I'm gonna be using today are Shine & Jam. Okay, I know I've talked about Shine & Jam, like that yellow one does not work for me, but this one does. I really like this one. And I ran out of the Eco Edge Control that I used to like, and I just haven't repurchased it, but I did get a new one of these. So I'm gonna be using Shine & Jam. The hair that I'm going to be using is this Outre Expression Twisted Up, Pre-Twisted Passion Bohemian. Oh, they're 30 inches? I thought it was 24. 30-inch twist, and I got the color T2T1B 350. Yeah, just got a 350 color. My hair has lightened back up. It's blonde underneath. So it doesn't exactly match, but honestly, wait. This is really bright. My hair has lightened up so much. Hopefully, I might try to like hide it or something. But I got an ombre because my roots are growing in, so I don't know. We'll get it together though. So 12 come in a pack, and I knew I'd probably use 2 strands, so I bought 6 packs. All right, let's get these twists started. So I'm just showing you guys that I have a mirror in front of me and 2 on either side of me. I'm using a rat tail comb with the metal in, some clips, and Shine & Jam. So to make my sections, I'm going to begin with making a part from ear to ear to create a front and back section. So I'm using the metal rat tail comb just to get, a straight line. You just have to keep going. And this is where the clips come in, because with natural hair, it just kind of like puffs up and you have to kind of like pull it out of the way so you can see your part. So I like to take clips and maybe like clip one end and use my other hand to push my hair out of the way so I can see the part. And you just keep trying and getting a straight part going in the direction that you want it to until, it looks right. So now that I've gotten that part from ear to ear, I'm just going to twist my hair back up just so I can keep stretching while it dries. And then I'm gonna clip that front section out of the way. Now we're on to the back. As I can see, the part is looking pretty straight, if I do say so myself. And I'm going to be making about 4 rows in the back. So my first part is going to start at the top of my ear, and I'm gonna make a part like on the side and then use the finger to do the rest. This is kind of hard to explain, but I'm making a part on either side with the comb, and it's kind of hard to do it all the way with the comb. So then I just use my fingers to get kind of like a general idea, and then I'll clip the rest of my hair out of the way and then use the comb to like perfect it, because it's easier when you don't have as much hair to hold in your hands, if that makes sense. So right now I clipped the hair away and now I'm just like perfecting it. Hopefully you understand. So after you get the part like looking pretty good, the final step to get a super clean part is to add some edge control or shine and gem or whatever like gel pomade you're using. I'm using the Shine and Gem Extra Hold, and you just put that on the part, and this is gonna like magnify any tiny hairs that might be in the way. And then you just use the rat tail comb to go over the part one more time, and you'll just get like little tiny strands, and then that'll make it super clean. And that's how it's an easy way to do it by yourself. The part might not be going in like a super straight line, and it might not be a perfect box, but they'll at least be very clean. So yeah. After that, I create my boxes, and I'm going to just twist each section up to keep it separated. Now I finished the back, and I got about 4 rows, I'm pretty sure. And now onto the front. I'm going to be doing the same thing on the side. Of course, the front is a little bit easier because you can look just straight into the mirror. So you can see now I'm using that back part to make the front part so it can kind of be even in the same sizes. And then I just go over with the Shine and Gem, clean it up, and that's pretty much it. That's how I part my hair myself. I've been working, so here's how much I got done so far. It's 7 o'clock. I've been working since, I don't remember when, but I know I was like shampooing my hair around like 12:30. So I forgot to mention that I am using rubber bands just to keep all my hair nice and tight and neat, but I'm not crocheting. That's just so, I'm using rubber bands just so I don't have to worry about my grip game. Regular black rubber bands, and I am putting some oil on them, so I'm just gonna take a few more and take my oil and just, you know, just add a little bit, and it should look like that. Does this do anything? I don't know, but I like to do it. I feel like it does help them slide out when that time comes. The leave-in products and the shea butter just like made my hair feel extra soft. It just feels like extra soft today. I'm gonna be taking some Shine and Gem, and I had to crack open the new bottle. I used all my other one, and I slather it on because as you can see, like, they're laid down, and the rubber band just helps it lay even more. So slather it all the way around the perimeter, and then I like work it in there so it really slicks my hair down. And then I continue to put some more down. Take a rubber band and tie it on. I try to get it somewhat in the center of the part, and it should look something like that. So next is the hair. The hair comes and twisted up like this. It's a crochet twist, but I'm just gonna be using it to create my passion twist. So I take 2 of them and I unravel them. So I've noticed with these, they kind of, I don't know if you'll be able to see, but you start unraveling it, and there's a piece that's like supposed to go on the other side, so you have to like grab that and then start, because it'll not. And then since they're so twisty, I hold it in my mouth and like hold one side in my mouth and pull it. And I do that so it doesn't knot up. Because if you just like try to like pull it apart, it'll just knot. So Do that to both pieces. So then it should look something like this. I haven't really been fluffing it out or anything. I've been just trying to be quick, honestly. Like, you can fluff it out, but I don't want to create any unnecessary knots and tangles, so I haven't been doing that. But I do kind of just run my hands down it to unravel it a little bit. So I'm just going to be braiding it through. So I take it on one side and get it like this. And then you just cross it over and start braiding. And I do this. And get it back to one side and then start twisting. And as I go down, just put some more Shine and Jam on. And then twist all the way down. I'm not gonna twist all the way down right now. I'm gonna do that at the end, but it looks like this when you twist it all the way down. So that's how I'm doing it. Pretty simple. y'all can see. I can't really. So my back is just now starting to hurt. It's 7:54. It took me an hour to finish this like top section. I'm going to call it a day and do the final touches tomorrow. Hey y'all, today's the next day and I just finished getting ready. So the last things that I have to do, I just finished doing my edges, but I do my edges the same all the time. I use South Factor Edge Booster. So the last thing I have to do is just finish doing the ends, twisting the ends. I was vacuuming up the hair a little while ago and like vacuumed my hair up. So it felt like something like hit me on my shoulder, but really it just pulled, it like vacuumed this one up. So I might have to redo it. I think it feels like it got a little loose, but yeah, this is what it looks like. And I also, while I was cleaning up, I just like quickly put these little jewels on that I made. So let me show y'all. I like to do like beading stuff, so sometimes I'll just make random stuff out of beads, but these are just like little hair jewels. So I have like various colors of them and I made them with like, I forget what they call them, but it looks like this. And I have a little loop, so I just put a rubber band on. I originally had like a metal hoop so you could just like twist it on, but I find that it's easier to just like connect it with the rubber band like this. So the last thing I'm gonna add is the shine spray. I picked this up from the beauty supply. It's kind of like an oil sheen, but it's just kind of like a spray, but it's by Lester's Pink and it's a glosser. Adds shine, eliminates frizz for natural and relaxed hair. So I just wanted to get this because I know it's like some hairstyles that require like the water wave hair. The water wave hair will be shiny and then like after a few days my hair will get kind of dull and then it just doesn't really match anymore. So I wanted this, like the Shine and Jam makes it shiny on the first day but it's not shiny anymore, so I thought this could help. It's just kind of like an oil sheen, just like a shine mist, and then you work it in. I don't know if you can tell, but it's making it shiny. So I just wanted to add this whenever I needed it. This is the finished look. I've never done passion twists before, but I think they're cute. I'm kind of getting into like more twist hairstyles because I've never done that many. I've only done Marley twists, and these kind of remind me of Marley twists. Yeah, I didn't have any problems with not blow drying my hair, so I'm really happy about that. The rubber bands are making it look super neat. So that's what they look like. Little bright at the ends. So I really like it, and they're so light. Like they don't feel like anything at all, which I really like because those locks were so heavy. And then I have my little hair jewels. I might make some more, but oh, did I twist this one? I missed one. Alright y'all, so that's the end of this video. I'm really happy with the results. So it's my little passion twist tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.